Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NUBIA Red Magic 5S, and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down actually to the very bottom to find App Info. Now let's tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on Reset Up Preferences. As you can see, your device will inform you that it will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default applications for actions, background data restrictions for apps, and any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on Reset Apps. And basically that's all. This is how to reset up preferences in your NUBIA Red Magic 5S. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.